within the field of maths anxiety research, further education, which for the purpose of resits, it sort of all fits together really. So students who have kind of come through compulsory education and they're then sat in that sort of almost a limbo, to some extent within further education. It's very under researched when it comes to maths anxiety. Yet this is a group of people who are likely to be some of the most maths anxious because they've experienced failure as well. And then when we talk about resits, the evidence is there, the data is there in terms of people who experience multiple resits. And if you experience failure multiple times, it's likely that that's going to really reinforce any negative self-beliefs, which is really just going to lead into a vicious cycle and impact all sorts of things in terms of your approach, even avoidance. We know that if you're highly maths anxious, you're likely to avoid the thing that you're anxious about. And in the case of maths, that's often preparing for exams, attendance in lessons, reading through materials and general engagement with the subject. So this is a real issue, I think, amongst the resit population. I've had some personal experience working with students in colleges who are going through that resit process, and there certainly is a general fear of mathematics within that group, but also it's bigger than that. I think it creates an overwhelming sense of fear about what that qualification represents as well. It goes beyond the maths. I think there's a real sense of fear of the consequences of failing a resit, and I think that can be quite overwhelming for a lot of students.